Hello, unusual structure of employment. So, the Philippines employment structure differs from neighboring countries with a highly developed service sector. So, 52% of job, 55% of GDP, while industrial sector remains underdeveloped 15% of employment of 31% of GDP. So, while industrial sector remains Malaysia, as Indonesia have a stronger industrial sector contributing more significant of economies. So the agriculture of sector despite employment 33% of the labor force contribute on only 14% to GDP. So the country is a leading global producer of coconut, pineapples, and bananas, yet under under the investment in staple crop are made of Philippines with the world largest rice importer. Additional deforestation has led to serve environmental consequences, so including landslide, flooding, and shift from a major timber exporter in 1917 to a net importer of forest product of 1980s. So, a usual structure of employment which means is na ganang it means is the the employment structure means how the workplace is divided between three main employment sectors. So, primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, nata example of structure of employment. So, ang example ana mga farm labor, construction, expert consulting of domestic labor. So, ay na punta sa example of 3%. So, nata 3% of mga employment Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, India,